In this video, I will guide you how to withdraw TOGS to OKX wallet. Open your crypto exchange where you are sending DOGS from. Find and click on Deposit. Choose Exchanges and tap on Continue. Click on OKX and you will be asked, do you have an OKX account? Then select Yes. Now you need to provide OKX UID, DOGS deposit address, then memo. Now open your OKX account. Make sure your account is verified. Click on the 6 dots menu at the top. Go to your profile and find the UID. Copy the UID and paste it into the deposit form. In OKX, go to Assets, tap on Deposit and select Deposit Crypto. Search for DOGS in the list. Select the correct network. Copy the deposit address and paste it into the deposit form. The memo, also called comment, is required for the deposit. Copy the memo from OKX and paste it into the deposit form. Double check that all details are correct. Click on Send to initiate the transaction. Confirm your deposit and wait for it to be processed. That's it. You have successfully deposited TOGS to OKX. If this video helps, like, share and subscribe.